little stressed. It's okay. We'll get it done. Reinforcements are coming.
Let me welcome you to our reinforcements. This is Nick, our low voltage tech, Caitlin, the detail specialist, Jared, the jack of all trades, Paulina, the assistant mechanic, and Cole, the muscle mechanic. I'm starting off here by getting rid of that fungus and rebuilding the box for the propane. And I'm going to move along here, and you see me that I finished the floor, and I'm going to be putting it back up into the camper, which is amazing to see because this thing was actually the more difficult side. Probably the minimal sleep and long work hours probably got to me at this point. You can also see my brother's working on putting in the sway bar and the airbags for my truck. Looks like we got that in there now. Now just gotta screw it in.
Pretty sweet, babe. Yeah. Alright, babe. What piece is this?
This is the final piece of siding that I'm ever having to put back on this thing again. Knock on wood.
You say that now.
Yeah, that's why I just knocked on the wood.
I mean, that front end is gonna be...
No.
Okay, we're not even gonna pan there.
Don't even put that out in the air. That is the next summer. This summer, we're getting on the road.
Yes.
I'm having extreme difficulty with these staples coming out of here right now.
Do you need some help?
Yes, I need your gentle, womanly touch to get these out here.
Okay.
The most beautiful piece all around. You know why this is the most beautiful piece?
Why?
Because it's the last piece. That's why it's the most beautiful. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Oh, I wish we had some more aluminium.
Would you sit back and recognize what you just stapled in?
Almost there.
Almost there.
First time ever doing it this way.
It's a little scary. Careful.
Bring it straight. I need to take off a hair. I will take off a hair. Let's see. Stupid.
What'd you do?
I put one right through where our water spigot is.
I am happy to announce that with this last jack mount going on this corner, I can technically put all the jacks back on and get this thing off the sawhorses. So that was super exciting to get this on, like a huge milestone. At this point, I'm just trying to button up some of the last panels so I don't have to deal with these things anymore because they were giving me a headache at this point. Now I just got to go around and clean up all of the leftover sealant that's on this and to get it ready to put the refurbished trim and refurbished doors back on. So you'll see me do that here and around the doors. This is going to look pretty quick to you guys, but I'm plumbing out the toilet right here, and I'm also going to be plumbing out the city connection, and that's what you see me putting on that bottom side of this panel right here, and then bringing it up inside to our cold water line. And then I'm just working on connecting that underneath the sink and trying to reroute these wires because it's a complete mess underneath there. At this point, I'm thinking I can salvage the water heater, so I'm trying to scrape off all the sealant, all the butyl tape off of all the set ring for it that goes into the wall there. And I actually give up on that and decided that we're just gonna get a new water heater. And here you see me putting on these jacks, and this is a huge moment. Been waiting for this for, I guess, at that point, almost a month. You see me here. Now I'm gonna start water tighten everything with the seal tape here. I'll go around every single edge because I don't want anything to get rotted this time if there's any leaks at all, which I'm hoping there won't be.
That is so bright. Oh man, I can still see him.
Wait, we should do the win. Yeah. Okay. Wait, guys, ready?
All right.
Ready?
1, 2.